Supriya Ritvik Benevolent Foundation is sponsoring financial assistance to MBBS, Engineering, LLB and CA students across the India. To know more details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we are here to explore SRBF, that is Supriya Ritvik Benevolent Foundation Scholarship. Let's explore this incredible opportunity. The SRBF is on a mission to provide educational opportunity to individuals. They firmly believe that every young mind, regardless of their circumstances, deserve a chance to shine. In the rural and underserved areas, the countless talented students have a dream and potential waiting to be unlocked. By extending support, SRBF aims to help the students to achieve their aspiration of contributing to the pride of our nation. The scholarship goes beyond the financial assistance. It's about creating the supportive community. SRBF offers a mentoring sessions, career guidance and networking opportunity to guide the beneficiaries throughout their educational journey. The goal is to equip them not only just with academic excellence but also with the skills and confidence needed to be thrive in their chosen field. The scholarship is open for Indian students from financially weak background, whereas a girl student must have secured minimum of 85% and a boy student must have secured minimum of 90% in their class 10 and 12. The family income should be less than 4 lakhs rupees and the preference will be given to the students who are pursuing their education in government or reputed school or institutions. The preference will be given to the students who are pursuing their professional courses like MBBS, Engineering, LLB, Chartered Accountancy and more. The comprehensive screening and interview process will be the part of the selection process. The continuous education and evaluation will be taken place for the selected students. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. You will get multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship. The link is given in the description box. Now the question is how to apply this scholarship. The process is very simple. Prepare a handwritten letter where you are explaining about why you are seeking this scholarship, how important is this scholarship for you. Give the details about your family background along with their income proofs. And provide a proof of income certificate and salary slips from the parent's employer or the income tax return. Include a recommendation letter from a teacher or the principal of your institute. Attach an attested mark sheet of class 10, 12, college or as applicable. And provide a proof of admission and enrollment along with the fee structure of the course. Then email all these documents to the mentioned email ID and be ready with the other documents required by the foundation. The SRBF scholarship is an opportunity to not only receive the financial assistance but also to be the part of the nurturing community. If you meet the eligibility criteria and have determination to excel, then don't miss out this scholarship opportunity. Your dreams are valuable and this scholarship could be a key to turning them into reality. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every possible students by sharing this video. Signing off, take care and don't forget to subscribe our channel.